Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Composer in your PC and how you can set Composer globally. So this is really simple. Let me show you step by step. At first, you have to go to the browser and you have to download xampp in your PC. I mean, you have to have PHP in your PC because Composer need PHP version. So you need to download PHP at first. So go for the command prompt to check if you have installed PHP or not. Type here php-v and here you can see I have PHP version. So we have two different way to download and install PHP in our PC. If you don't find this version, PHP version, it means you haven't actually download or installed PHP in your PC. So let's go to the browser. So you can download PHP in two different way. One is by using XAMPP. Another one is by downloading PHP zip file, right? So I'll suggest you to go with the XAMPP because XAMPP will provide you the server also. I mean, you don't have to create extra server and all the stuffs. You don't have to actually keep your php.zip file in a secure place. So it will be okay if you actually go with the XAMPP. Okay, so go with the XAMPP and download this. Okay, so click here download to download this, and here you will find the latest version 8.2. But if you go for the PHP latest version, you can see that PHP latest version is 8.5. If I say here PHP latest version, you can see 8.5. So if you need this PHP latest version, you have to actually go for the zip file. Okay, and you can see here PHP zip download. Here you will find PHP download. So click here. And from here you can see 8.5.1. So go with the thread safe version. Okay, here you can see thread safe. So click here zip and it will be actually downloaded. But I will not suggest you to do this. I will suggest you to go with the XAMPP. Okay, so here you just have to download this and you have to install XAMPP in your PC. So let's go to the browser once again to download Composer. You have to actually go for the Composer. And here you can see composer.org. So go to this link and from here you will find option called download. So click here and here you can see composer setup.exe. So you could download this. Okay, I already download this. So let me show you. If I go here you can see this is the Composer. So double click on it and for the all users, okay, install for all users. Don't check this, just go for the next. And here you can see it needs PHP, right? So I already have PHP installed when I actually installed XAMPP, right? Because XAMPP will provide a server. PHP is a server-side scripting language. We need a server for this, and XAMPP will actually provide us those servers, right? So we'll find it when you actually install XAMPP. If you don't install XAMPP or PHP, you will not find this path. That is the reason actually you need to install PHP at first. Okay, in case let's say you don't find this path, so you have to actually set your environment variable. So let me show you how. Just type here env and then open it. Okay, edit system environment variables. So open it, go for the environment variables, select path under system variables, click here edit, and here you have to add your PHP path. So how to add your PHP path? You just have to actually go for the installation drive, in this case W drive, right? Yeah. So here we have XAMPP and go inside the XAMPP folder, and here you will find a folder called PHP. So go inside this PHP folder and you have to actually go for the php.exe. If you find php.exe, I mean if you don't see here php.exe, you just have to actually click here view, then show, then file name with extension. Then you will find this php.exe. It means you are in a right folder. Now you have to actually select the address bar and you have to copy this path. Okay, copy this path and go to the edit environment variable and click here new and you have to add it. That's it. I already added. Here you can see. There is a reason actually it finds the path, right? In your case, if you don't, if you don't find the path, it means you have to actually save environment variables. Fine. Now you just have to go for the next, and here you go. Now select install. Fine. Now if you want to check if you have Composer or not, go for the command prompt. Okay, cmd, open it and say here Composer. Hit enter. And here we go, we find the Composer version. Here you can see 2.9.3. So we have successfully installed Composer in our PC, and I have shown you in the step-by-step process. I hope you will not find any issues, but still, if you find any issues, let me know in the comment section so that I can actually help you to solve these issues. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching.